Effective tagging strategy for your YouTube channel. Tags are crucial for the discoverability of your videos on YouTube. They help YouTube understand the context of your content and improve the chances of your videos being found by the right audience. Here's a comprehensive guide to effective tagging for your YouTube channel. 1. Understanding different types of tags. Primary tags, main keywords. These are the most important tags that directly describe the main topic of your video. For example, if your video is about eco-friendly living, primary tags could be sustainable living, eco-friendly tips, and zero waste. B. Secondary tags, related keywords. These tags are related to your primary tags and expand the context of your video. They might include specific aspects of the topic. Continuing the example, secondary tags could be reduce plastic use, composting, and recycling tips. C. Branded tags. These tags include your channel name and any branded series or recurring segments. This helps in building your brand identity and encourages viewers to find more of your content. For example, your channel name, your channel series name. D. Long tail tags. These are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience. They help in ranking for less competitive search terms. Examples could be how to live sustainably on a budget or best eco-friendly products for beginners. 2. How to choose the right tags. A. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find relevant keywords with good search volume and low competition. Analyze tags used by popular videos in your niche to understand what works well. B. Audience insight. Consider what your target audience might search for. Think about their interests, questions, and problems they want to solve. C. Relevance. Ensure all tags are highly relevant to the content of your video. Irrelevant tags can confuse the algorithm and harm your video's performance. 3. Best practices for tagging. A. Use a mix of tags. Combine primary, secondary, branded, and long-tail tags for a well-rounded tagging strategy. B. Be specific. Specific tags help you rank for more precise searches. For example, instead of just sustainability, use sustainability for beginners. C. Avoid overstuffing. Don't use too many tags, aim for around 10 to 15 highly relevant tags. Overstuffing can dilute the relevance and effectiveness. D. Update tags over time. Regularly review and update your tags based on new trends, viewer feedback, and performance analytics. 4. Example tagging strategy for a video on sustainable living. Video title: 10 Easy Tips for Sustainable Living. Tags. 1. Primary tags. Sustainable living. Eco-friendly tips. Zero waste. 2. Secondary tags. Reduce plastic use. Composting. Recycling tips. Minimalist lifestyle. 3. Branded tags. Your channel name. Your channel series name. 4. Long tail tags. How to live sustainably on a budget. Best eco-friendly products for beginners. Simple zero-waste swaps. By following these strategies and best practices, you can enhance the discoverability of your videos, attract the right audience, and grow your YouTube channel effectively.